Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file FATCA online. First, understand that FATCA, the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act, requires certain U.S. taxpayers and foreign financial institutions to report foreign financial assets to the IRS. This helps prevent tax evasion. You'll need to identify if you're an individual or a financial institution, as reporting requirements differ. Be aware that failing to comply can result in substantial penalties, so accurate and timely filing is crucial for everyone involved. Before you begin the online filing process, thorough preparation is key. Start by compiling all necessary information about your foreign financial accounts, including account numbers, balances, and the highest value during the reporting period. Next, confirm whether you, as an individual, need to file Form 8938, or if your financial institution needs to submit Form 8966. If you're a financial institution, verify your Global Intermediary Identification Number, or GIN, is current and valid for submission. Now, let's walk through the online filing steps. You'll need to access the IRS International Data Exchange Service, or IDs, which is the secure web application for transmitting FATCA data. Ensure your data is prepared in the required XML schema format before uploading. Follow the portal's instructions carefully for submission. After successful transmission, always confirm that your data has been received and save any acknowledgement or confirmation for your records. This ensures you have proof of compliance. To ensure a smooth FATCA filing experience, always double-check all your data for accuracy before hitting that submit button. Even small errors can lead to delays or issues. If your situation is particularly complex, or if you have any doubts, don't hesitate to consult a qualified tax professional. Their expertise can be invaluable. And speaking of making life better, if your car could use a refresh, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video helps you confidently file your FATCA reports online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.